Guys, good morning guys. I will show you something guys about the piloted check valve, how the operation works. So I'll show you guys. This cartridge here. This is a cartridge type from Hydra Force. The model is PC 10-30. So I show you guys. So this one here. Okay. So just make sure that this is PC. Okay, yeah, PC. So normally the model is on the top of the hex. Okay, which is PC 10-30. So this is a check valve, piloted, operated. Okay, so here, so you can disassemble the cartridge. This port here, okay, this is port number 3, port number 2, and port number 1. Okay, the pilot ratio is 4:1, meaning the port 1 is 4 times powerful than port number 3. Okay, remember that the ratio. So here guys, in the whiteboard I draw like roughly the cross sectional of the valve. Okay, just use blue this time. Okay, so this is port 3 here. This is your puppet. Okay, and then the piston, the pilot piston. Okay, so on the circuit, the symbol guys, the hydraulic symbol is you have your puppet. Okay, so you have your puppet, and then let's make it better guys, huh? Okay, so here spring. Okay, now this port here is 3, and then this is number 2. Okay, and then this is number 1, that is your pilot. Okay, all right. Now the description of check valve pilot operated guys is allowing the flow from port 2 to port 3, and also blocking the flow from port 3 to port 2, because it's a check valve. You know, the check valve is only one flow, and then the reverse is blocked because the puppet seal. So this is the sealing area here. Okay, so that ball there, that's the sealing. Okay, so allowing port 2 the flow from port 2 to port 3. Okay, but blocking port 3 to port 2. Now when is that flow allow from port 3 to port 2? Okay, the flow allow from port 3 to port 2 when there is a pressure acting on port number 1. Okay, now it says there that the ratio is 4:1. The pilot ratio is 4:1, meaning guys, if you have 400 bar here, okay, on your port 3, okay, you only need how much? 100 bar to open the puppet. Okay, so 4:1, that's the pilot ratio. So you only need 100 bar to open this, and then that's the time the flow from port 3 will go through port 2. Okay, all right, so that's the pilot operated check valve. So in here, in the cross sectional, when there is a pilot pressure here acting, this area here is bigger. See, the surface area is bigger than the port 3 area. See the difference? So that's why it's 4:1. So port 3, pressure is blocked. When there is a pilot pressure, overcome the pressure from port 3. Okay, let's put this a opening there. Yeah, it's okay. So kind of like that. So when you have a 400 bar here, when you have 100 bar on your port 1, so this poppet will open, so allowing the port 3 flow to port 2. Okay, so that's the, so if the pilot pressure is less than 100 bar, this will maintain block. Okay, so you have your, it's called a load check, right? So that your cylinder, if there's a load, it will not drift. Okay, it will not creep. Okay, so it's good. So that's the operation of the check valve, pilot operated. Okay, all right, thank you.